Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clean fix buggy apps in Windows 11. Are apps in Windows 11 freezing, crashing, or just acting weird? So this updated 2025 guide shows you a clean and effective way to fix buggy apps step by step. So if an app is slow, won't open, or crashes randomly, chances are it's either missing files, conflicting settings, or corrupted data. So the first step that you can do is repair the app. You can try repairing it by going to the settings, tap on apps, go to the install apps, and in here you can just find the apps that you want to or that's having some problem. Let's say here this one. You can just click on the three dots icon and go to the advanced options, and in here find the repair options. And if the repair doesn't work, you can go back to the same menu, or in here you can click on reset. So this will clear all apps data but keeps the apps installed. Next one, you can also clear the cache, but this is optional. So for apps like Microsoft Store, Xbox, or Photos, clearing the cache can help. So you can just press on Windows plus R and then just type as reset like this, hit on enter. And next, you can also try to just reinstall the app. So if nothing else works, you can uninstall the app completely and reinstall it fresh from the Microsoft Store or official source. So now your app should be running smoothly. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.